how to follow someone. Right now you might be thinking to yourself, it's great that we have access to all these people that we know are interested in, our niche, but how, of course, do we start to follow them? And actually, it's quite easy. All you have to do, again, is, let's say, for example, we want to find people in the dog training niche. We find them on a search here. Just go ahead and visit their profile. And from their profile, there is a link to follow them. Right there it is. Let's go ahead and hit that. And now you're following them. That's it. It's confirmed there. I can close this window, and I still haven't left this page here. Let's say that I want to follow this person here too. I just go ahead and hit follow, and there we go. Now if I go to home here, it will list that I'm following 2 people. So that's listed there, and I click on this and I can see a list of all the people that I am following. So that's as easy as that. It couldn't be easier. Of course, if you want to, you can unfollow them too. You can also block them or even talk about them. Twitter tries to make it as easy as possible while keeping it still as simple as possible. So that's basically how that works. So I'm going to encourage you to go out and start following people. However, you want to be careful that you don't follow too many people in a day, because there are people out there that hit this hardcore and you can get your account banned. So I'm going to go ahead and suggest that you stay to the guideline of don't follow more than 50 people a day, just because more than that might raise some question. People look and see that you're following too many people at once, and people have gotten their accounts banned. So it's not something to worry about as long as you keep things realistic. 50 is certainly a small number to keep you safe. One additional thing you can do is, obviously, we start following people with the idea and the hope that they will follow us back. After a week or so, you can go back, and if you follow people and they are not following you back, it might be a good idea to unfollow them, just because Twitter does monitor, as accounts grow, and if you're following too many people and have a lower ratio of people following you back, they can actually place a limit and not allow you to follow additional people. So you want to make sure that you keep it, the ratio healthy, meaning that, you're following, X amount of people and quite a few are following you too. So keep that in mind as you start to build. Of course, the bigger you get, the more established you get, the more new followers you can have every day. So don't worry about it. The more of a concern is when you're first starting out, that you don't want to go hog wild and go out there and start adding hundreds of followers a day, because that can raise some flags over there at Twitter.